Hello, and welcome to CryptoMarketDarts. We offer free research for your favorite cryptos. Well, it's free for now. Our contributors are research analysts, traders turned analysts, enthusiast analysts who spent years studying charts, reading books on technical analysis, reading news, and looking for triggers impacting prices and trend directions. Here is how it works. Very simple, actually. Our contributors update information daily, so it's never stale. Our platform aggregates multiple contributions and shows consolidated results as well as individual underlying contributions. So where do you start? Well, first you need to register. Go to www.cryptomarketdarts.com. Click Register and select your profile type. There are two profile types. Most people who just want to have access to information will be regular users. Others, who want to provide information, also known as analysts, will be contributors. So, if you are a regular user, go ahead and choose the regular user option and provide your email, which will also be your login, and then type your very strong password. If you choose to be a contributor, then choose the contributor option and provide a little more information about yourself. Most of it is optional, but do pick a good nickname. Please mind our audience, and don't be naughty, eh? Read our terms and conditions, and if you agree, check the box and press the register button. That's all it takes. But wait, you're not done yet. You still need to add crypto coins to your portfolio. The system will automatically show a list of coins we have researched for. Go ahead and choose the ones you like. Once selected, they will be added to your dashboard. And if you don't see the coin you like, send us your feedback and we will make sure we start covering this coin too. Now is a good time to introduce you to darts. It's something we reinvented. Let me explain. Each dart has 5 bands. Each band represents a time interval. We start with 1 hour in the center, followed by 4 hours, then 1 day, 1 week, and finally 1 month. Each band has a specific color assigned to it based on consolidated and average information we receive from our individual contributors. Let's start with green. It represents bullish trend. Darker green represents strong bullish trend. Red represents bearish trend, while brighter red represents strong bearish trend. Finally, gray color represents neutral trend direction. So, now you are a pro. Sit back, relax, and enjoy our free, just-in-time concise analysis. Well, it's free for now.